सर आजच म्हणटा जो प्रोटेस्ट जाला ताच्या बद्दल तुमकां कितें सांगता?
अमरीन शेख म्हणटा ते स्टुडंट आमचे पयलींचे, ताणें अंडर द NGO उजवाड अमरीन शेख आनी सेंड्रा पेरेरान ऑर्गनायज केला हो प्रोटेस्ट इन टू शो सॉलिडॅरिटी विथ सोनम वांगचूक हू इज ऑन अ हंगर स्ट्रायक 21 days. It's about the NEET leak of examination system has collapsed. What was demanded was the resignation of the Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, and apart from that, what I feel is Ladakh, they are demanding rights for tribals, rights for Ladakh, which is I think is a fair right because the tribals have to be protected of Ladakh. So it is not anti-national demand. Within the Indian Constitution, what Sonam Wangchuk is saying that under the 6th schedule of the Constitution, give rights to Ladakhis, which I think is a fair demand within Indian Constitution. They are not saying Ladakh should be separated from our country. So to express solidarity with Sonam Wangchuk regarding the NEET leaking of the papers all over the country, this protest was organized. It was a very successful protest and youth from all Goa have joined it.
सर उजवाडान उलो मारला खुबशे यूथ आयले उजवाडा बद्दल तुमकां कितें सांगचें दिसता?
Uzwad is an NGO run which was founded by Sandra Pereira and Amreen Sheikh, who has given the call. She's part of Uzwad. So they are a youth organization and they have given the call. This is not only in Panjim, all over Goa. It will be in Bicholi, it will be in Mapsa, Ponda, all over. Not only about the NEET, but it is about many other issues concerning Goa too.
तर खुबशे जाण म्हणटा की एड्युकेशन सिस्टम करप्ट जाल्लें आहा म्हणून तसो तुमकां दिसता आतां चेंज जातलें म्हणून?
The fact that NEET examination paper system is corrupt and Dharmendra Pradhan should be held accountable. He should own the moral responsibility and resign from his position. That's our demand.
ट्रीटमेंट जाय म्हणून आमकां परत रस्त्याचेर येवचें पडटा. क्रिमिनल्साक तुमी पनीश करा आनी तुमी स्टुडंट्साक आतां पनीश करपाक कितले बेगीन येयले. इनफॅक्ट यू नो वॉट आय थिंक एट दिस पॉयंट पुलीस इज सो एफिशियंट, स्पेशली Delhi police is so efficient. They should be working in the education department because they take actions way before the education department is there.
जेन्ना तूं परमिशन घेवपाक गेल्लें पळय परमिशन तुमकां कित्याक मेळना स्टार्टींग?
बिकॉज मॅडम जेनिफर मोन्सेरातीची डेथ जाली, खूब अकस्मात हे सगळें जालें आनी दॅट वॉज वन ऑफ द रिजन्स द स्टेट इज मोर्निंग फॉर हर and due to which मातशी प्रॉब्लम जाली परमिशन मेळपा खातीर. but we were just running around various police station but police was very cooperative.
तुवें हो प्रोटेस्ट लीड केल्लो आहा युथाक कितें मॅसेज आसतना स्टुडंटाक कितें मॅसेज आसतलो?
युथाक हो मेसेज आसा की डू नॉट वेट टिल द वॉटर रिचीज अबव द हेड. तुमकां खबर आसा प्रॉब्लम खंयसान सुरू जाला. वी शूड स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग अप वेन यू सी दॅट इज समथींग रॉंग गोईंग ऑन. वी शूड बी एबल टू फिक्स द प्रॉब्लम देर ओनली. जेन्ना ही प्रॉब्लम फर्स्ट स्टेजार जरी तर फिक्स जावपाची आमकां ह्या स्टेजीर पावपाचें नासपाचें. इफ वी कूड हॅव टेकन द एक्शन देन ओनली देन सो मेनी लायफ्स वूड नॉट हॅव लॉस्ट.
उजवाड एनजीओन उलो मारला इतके यूथ आयले आयज जेंकां अजुनूय खबर ना उजवाड एनजीओ बद्दल तुका कितें सांगता?
उजवाड हो NGO आमी कॉलेजीन आसतना सुरू केल्लें फॉर college students. We used to choose days and we used to do street plays. Street plays is what we are known for on Panjim bus stand, Margaon bus stand, markets. Everywhere we conduct street plays on mental health issues. We have also collaborated with Goa Police in the past. We also collaborate with many other mental health organizations who are working to do awareness. We do awareness. That is what we were always into. But this time, since it's a national issue, we waited till Saturday. की कोण तरी ऑर्गनायज करतले आनी आमी पार्टिसिपेट करतले. बट सॅडली कोणूच ऑर्गनायज करिना जालें आनी देन आय वॉज लायक लेटर्स success because the very reason this was shown. Of course, in one way success because we wanted to show solidarity with our brothers and sisters in Delhi and they have got the message that Goan youth is with them. Goan utla ata ani Goan tumche wangda asa. Goan youth is with this demand and we are showing solidarity. But on the other side, this protest or this movement will be successful when a demands are met. It's very simple. The hunger strike will also not be there if the demands are met. We know that government is so concerned about Sir Sonam Wangchuk's health and you don't have to worry. Like Sarkarak or message asa, you will not have to worry if you just accept our demands and deliver our basic rights. She suffered. Sorry to say that.
Amgazai, Amgazai.